In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a marketing calendar in Monday.com. This tool is great for managing your campaigns, but there's a lot to consider when setting it up the right way. So let's dive into how to make your marketing calendar organized and efficient using Monday.com. First things first, when you create a board in Monday.com, you're essentially setting up a workspace where all your marketing tasks can live. You want to make sure that your board is structured to easily track everything from social media posts to email campaigns and even vlog updates. Start by creating a new board and choose a template or start from scratch, depending on your needs. I recommend starting with the marketing campaign template to get a jump start, as it already has all the relevant columns like deadlines, assigned team members, and campaign status. Next thing, organize your columns for maximum clarity. You'll want to have columns like date, task description, status, owner, and priority. The date column is where you'll schedule your campaigns and mark the deadlines. This allows you to easily visualize your marketing plan and stay on top of everything. As your team works on tasks, the status column will help everyone track what's completed, in progress, or stuck. And don't forget to assign tasks to the right team members using the owner column. The third thing you should do is use Monday.com's color coding system. You can assign colors to your tasks based on a type of campaign or urgency. For example, red could indicate high priority tasks like product launches, and blue could be for regular social media updates. This makes it easier to quickly see where your attention is needed. The fourth thing to consider is automations. Monday.com allows you to set up automations that can send reminders to your team or change the status of tasks as they move through your workflow. This can save you a lot of time and keep everything moving smoothly. For example, you can set up an automation to send an email reminder to your team members one day before a task is due, ensuring deadlines are met. Now, let's talk about integrations. One of the great things about Monday.com is its ability to integrate with a wide range of tools. Whether you use Google Calendar, Slack, or Gmail, you can bring all your tools into one platform. For instance, syncing your Google Calendar with Monday.com can ensure your campaign deadlines are automatically updated in both places. This keeps everything in sync and prevents any missed appointments. Next, let's talk about collaboration. If you're working with a team, Monday.com has a range of collaboration features. You can comment directly on tasks, tag team members, and even upload files. This makes it easy for everyone to stay in the loop and keep the conversation around specific tasks rather than scattered across emails or messaging platforms. Finally, after you've set everything up, the key is to regularly review and adjust your calendar as things change. Marketing plans are often subject to tweaks, so having the flexibility to adjust your schedule is crucial. You can easily move tasks around or update deadlines as new opportunities or issues arise. Now, while Monday.com is a powerful tool for setting up your marketing calendar, it's not without its challenges. Its interface can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, especially for new users. And while the automation features are great, they do come with a learning curve. For some teams, it may be a bit overkill if you're looking for something simpler. Here's the deal. If you're still on the fence about whether Monday.com is the right fit for you, or if you need something more streamlined, there are some amazing alternatives that are better suited for creating a marketing calendar with ease. These alternatives are also offering free trials, and I've got the best deals available for you through our link. With these alternatives, you'll get the flexibility and features you need to stay on top of your marketing without the overwhelming setup process. So, if you want to get your marketing calendar up and running in no time, check out the link in the description for exclusive access to the best free trial offers, as well as some top alternatives to Monday.com. These tools are great for marketing teams that want something powerful, but a bit more intuitive and focused on results. Make sure to use the link for exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out.